Dr. Stevens, Mr. Chazan, and Mr. Lugo, thank you for allowing me to present this year at AIS. It is an honor to be here. And at LevEllis, we know that the customers have driven the market to produce many over-the-counter and direct from physician offices skincare products. And we know that that has driven the industry to many billions of dollars, and thousands of products, which has led to customer confusion. And we also know that developing a product that could address the underlying causes of the aging skin and thinning hair would be a winning product, because there's nothing else on the market like that now. So we have an existing proven product, not just clinically, but in studies. So the reward is high here, because with a greater than $10 billion market in North America and an even larger market worldwide, there's a great opportunity here for us for a first-of-a-kind product that's meeting customers' needs. And we have very strong IP protection with exclusive rights to the ingredients and all the intellectual property. So our story is this. iVita Biomedical is a biotech firm in Irvine, California, and they're the source of our active ingredient. So iVita Biomedical is a firm that creates personalized cancer, retinal disease, and spinal cord injury treatments for patients. And they do this by using an NIH-registered line of stem cells. So when they use the stem cells for cancer therapy, in particular melanoma, when they use the stem cells for treating melanoma, for example, they provoke the stem cells to differentiate into skin progenitor cells. They harvest the cells for use in cancer therapy, and then what's remaining is the nutrient media with all 660 growth factors designed to grow and maintain health in young skin and hair. So these growth factors, 660 growth factors, accompanied by a glycoprotein called fetuin. Fetuin is specific to skin progenitor cells and is responsible for scarless wound healing. So when a combination of these 660 biologically active, clinically proven in studies as well as in the field, growth factors along with the fetuin help to transform aging skin and hair into young skin and hair again. And this is novel. This is completely disrupted. There's nothing else on the market like this. There's no other source of cells. So proven in clinical practices as well as in studies, but also we are governed by a strong team of proven professionals in the aesthetic field who have taken aesthetic companies to IPO and purchase. So I am a physician and a biochemist, and I've been in aesthetics for 26 years. So I am co-founder and president. Both David Hagee and Wesley Lev both of them have been in aesthetics for over 20 years each, and have successfully taken aesthetic companies to great success. And Dr. Hans Kierstead is our inventor of the product, and our CMO is Dr. Todd Plott, who's been in the device and drug industry in dermatology for many, many years. So what we have is an easy-to-use, topical, proven active, biologic.
Novel Active Improvi was developed by aVita Biomedical, helmed by founder and CEO Dr. Hans Kierstead, an internationally recognized stem cell expert who has developed treatments for spinal cord injury, cancer, motor neuron disorders, and more.
The topical active that we developed right here in our labs was made possible through decades of refining the techniques and know-how which enable our clinical therapies for cancer, vision loss, and infectious diseases. The resulting active is odor-free, paraben-free, hypoallergenic, and we have the data to show that it works. We're very proud to be partnering with Dr. Ellis to offer this novel active in our all-new Improvi line. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the product.
Mary Lupo, Zoe Drelos published a clinical study showing that the Fetchwin and 660 factors are effective and safe. Advance, please. And histologically, you can see the significant difference after 12 weeks of BID at-home topical application, no devices used, and all the elements of improved skin from aging to young. This is the same patient. Double-blind, randomized controlled clinical trial, and the pathologist said, well, this is aging skin, and this is young skin, 12 weeks. High patient satisfaction. A patient in my own office, see the left scar on the before side, and then it's practically invisible on the other side after one treatment with the active ingredient. I want to stress that we have exclusive rights to an unlimited supply of our active ingredient and tight IP access with many hundreds of patents on the bioreactors, the nutrient media itself, and the harvesting process, which is key to this. And just once again, the global market for a product like this is extremely large. So anyway, I want to stress that our group is producing a very novel and disruptive product in the industry. It's a new category in aesthetics, and we've tried it in our clinical practices with great success and predict that it will continue to be very successful going forward. And thank you very much. I appreciate your attention.